Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to get data from the web in Excel. All you have to do is go to the data tab, click on get data, go to from other sources, and over here click from web. And now the next step is quite simple. You just have to copy URL and paste it into this box that opens up. So I have a Wikipedia page open that has a list of different cricket records, highest scores, highest partnerships, bowling record, batting records. I'll just copy the URL, paste it into this URL box, press OK, and you see that I'll have a list of options available with me in the navigator page. So let me select the most games in the career, and now let's say you don't want the source down there, so you could go to transform data and get that out of the way. And now I just want to load this table into Excel, so I clicked on load, and you see that within a second my table is in Excel. So a lot of manual work is reduced. You have the data set, it's all good. And maybe you want to take out the last row, to delete that, have the sources separately down there, not part of the table, and this looks great. So this was how you can get data from the web, and you also have the option of selecting multiple tables at the same time. Thank you. I hope you learned something new.